Hi friends and welcome to this YouTube marketing program where I'm going to show you how do you use YouTube effectively for yourself. So, are you currently struggling to make videos? Do you want to actually go there on YouTube but you do not know how? You also want to show the world your impact, make your brand, become an influencer and actually leverage YouTube for your own personal branding? Well, if these are your problems, then you're the right place, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you utilize YouTube effectively for yourself. This program is specifically designed for people who want to leverage the power of YouTube. As you all know today, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. There are billions and billions of people watching videos every single day to make their mark, and we are hooked onto the videos as well. Well, if you're a great storyteller, or if you're not a storyteller, but you want to make an impact to the world, there's no better platform than YouTube. Which is why in this program, my job is to equip you with YouTube, show you how do you make videos, how do you basically make funnels, how do you essentially do your channel art, how do you also use which equipment for your videos. Every single thing is covered in this program. This program is a one-stop shop in case you're looking to leverage YouTube for yourself and to make a brand and ultimately monetize your channel by making some revenue out of it as well. So this program is run into three parts. The first part is telling you an overview about how do you use YouTube. So in case you're a fresher, you're doing it for the first time, you've not done it before, don't worry about it. You will still be able to utilize YouTube all by yourself. Number two, I'm also going to show you what equipments, what camera, what lighting settings to be used for your videos as well. Number three, not only that, we're not stopping at shooting videos and actually showing you the how to make channel, but we're also showing you how to make funnels. Essentially, that how do you get more people to your YouTube videos? How do you get more subscribers? And what are the ways to do about it? Then we also want to touch upon what we call as YouTube SEO, which is how can you start ranking your YouTube videos on top on Google searches, and also how do you start running ad campaigns to basically get more viewers and get more subscribers to your video as well. And lastly is we're also going to show you some interesting funnels which will help you to take your YouTube game to the next level. So don't really await more, and let's get into the program and let's see today that why do you need to use YouTube for yourself and why YouTube is so important. So let me take you to my mind map. This is my mind map. So let's take why YouTube is important today. So as an individual, why should I come on YouTube? You should come on YouTube because number one reason is YouTube gives you what we call as higher reach. That's right. YouTube has over 1 billion people watching videos every single day. That means if you make a content and if you promote pretty well, you get to see and put your content to the right people at the right time. And not only that, if you see the reach over here is also not very expensive. It's very economical. So no matter whichever field you belong to, you can still get a higher reach because there are billions and billions of people searching for everything, such as how to cook a video or sorry, how to cook a. They're searching for things like how to cook a meal, how to do fishing, how do we read books very fast, how do we basically speak better, how do we improve our English. There's millions and millions of content lying on YouTube. And if you're able to leverage that, nothing like it. Then you see, ultimately you are leveraging people search, right? Because sometimes when you search for something, rather than search results, YouTube videos come up on top. For example, I'll just take you to one of my, you know, browsers. So let's take if I come over here and type something like this, how to bake a cake. The first result that actually comes up on top are videos. You see videos over here. So even Google prioritizes YouTube videos for certain aspects. So you can also leverage this. So if your video is pretty good, it's you've got a very detailed explanation about a cake, and if you do YouTube SEO properly, you can also basically start ranking up on top on YouTube searches. So it's not that difficult. You just need to have a methodology and a system in place to do this. Then it can also basically give you great opportunity for passive income. So YouTube is a great passive income generator. In fact, once you make a video and if you basically are able to monetize the video, right, you will be able to make money throughout your life as long as people are watching that video. So a lot of YouTubers, they keep on creating content, and then advertisers advertise on the particular content. Once they do that, on that particular content, whatever advertising is played, YouTube does a revenue share with you. So it's again a great way to kind of, leverage passive income, and also go out there and tell people about your talent. Then the next most important thing on YouTube is that YouTube is also, a great platform for building a personal brand. So let's take for example, you want to start building your own personal brand. You want to basically showcase that how great you are. What is basically your strength. Why should somebody come and take your services? Then you can do that via YouTube. By continuously being visible and having a content calendar in place on YouTube, you'll be able to leverage this quite effectively for your brand as well. So leverage the best personal brand using the best platform, because again, this platform can give you huge visibility on searches and videos as well, right? And next thing is basically, because if you see, the last thing which I want to talk about is that why is YouTube important? Not only from a personal brand perspective, it can also basically help you get sponsors. So for example, you see in any video, there are these videos where you basically start getting sponsors of the video. I mean, they say, for example, there's a channel called TVF, the Viral Fever. They normally have some sponsors sponsoring the video, such as Mahindra or Tata's or Birla's or whatever it is. Why? Because they made effective content, and then they subtly put the brand inside the content and they get a good lump sum amount. Like if you're a great YouTuber, you can charge a minimum of nothing less than 3 to 4 lakhs just by basically having the right sponsors for your video. Right? Yes, when they're selling as an art, it's basically, it's not going to be easy at the first go, but it is worth it, because then your passion becomes your full-time job, and that is where you can make mark on YouTube itself. So, just to kind of recap, in this module, you're going to have a comprehensive overview on YouTube. Then, why it is important for you? Because it gives you higher reach. It can make you reach lots and lots of people who don't even know you, and not only in your geography, but also geography as well. For example, you can get people from outside India in case you belong to India. Number two, it can leverage people search. It means people are searching online on search Google searches as well. Well, today Google doesn't even prioritize just normal searches. They also prioritize, say for example, a video search as well for you. Number three, it's a great passive income generator. In case you generate passive income, you should be on this platform, because one video can fetch you money for lifetime. Fourth, it's personal branding. It basically helps you to make personal brand. It helps you to kind of enhance yourself, and most importantly, help you to stand out from the rest of your peers. And last thing is, when you make great videos, you get great subscribers and shares. You get sponsors as well, who will sponsor you for your video too, right? So, which is why it should be on YouTube. So don't waste time further, guys. Go to youtube.com and sign up, and I'm going to show you in detail how do we go about it in my next video.